Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock summary, step by step. First, pinpoint the company and its unique ticker symbol to ensure you're pulling the correct information. Next, gather essential financial documents such as the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Don't forget to collect recent news articles and analyst reports. These provide crucial context and insights into current market sentiment and future prospects. This initial data collection forms the bedrock of your comprehensive summary. Now, let's dive into analyzing key financial metrics. Calculate the price-to-earnings ratio, which helps you understand how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of earnings. Review revenue growth and net income trends over at least 5 years to spot consistent performance or red flags. Also, assess the debt-to-equity ratio. A lower ratio, ideally below 1, often indicates a healthier financial structure and less risk. Beyond the numbers, qualitative factors are incredibly important. Consider the company's competitive advantages, such as a strong brand or unique technology, and its market share within its industry. Research the overall industry's growth potential and any significant regulatory shifts that could impact future performance. Finally, evaluate the management team's track record and strategic vision. Strong leadership is often a key indicator of long-term success. To finalize your stock summary, synthesize all your findings into a coherent narrative. Clearly articulate the company's strengths, such as robust earnings growth, and its weaknesses, like high debt levels. Develop a concise investment thesis that explains why you believe the stock will perform a certain way. Conclude with a clear recommendation, whether it's a buy, hold, or sell, supported by your thorough step-by-step analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.